So, welcome to my trade recap. 2 trades from last week. Let me show you 2 wins. Pretty good trades, really good trades. Yeah, so this one's the first. On Thursday, I can show you. So, we were in a bearish trend, as you can see in the overall time frame. Pretty bearish, very bearish. So I was only looking for shorts, and yeah, we formed Asia high right here during London session. We came into Asian high and reacted out of Asian high. I always need to check that the 30-minute chart is in line with the trend. So we do have a 30-minute bearish break of structure right here, and we do not break it to the upside again. So yeah, that's confidence for me. Yeah, then I scaled into the 5-minute. I've had a 5-minute bearish break of structure right there. Once we formed our break of structure, I scaled into the 1-minute because now I'm looking for a inverse fair value gap, which happened to be right here. It took a while to form the fair value gap, the inverse fair value gap. It took, yeah, almost an hour to form the inverse fair value gap. We were still in a bearish trend. If we wouldn't, I would have changed. No, I wouldn't have changed anything, but I maybe just wouldn't have taken the trade. Yeah, so our 1-minute inverse fair value gap, we came right into it, and after a 1-minute bearish break of structure, I entered the trade. We had unemployment claims at 1:30 p.m. and yeah, not too much. Was easy. I had a big stop loss. So yeah, that's it for the first trade. First trade was a really good trade. Not much to be. I mean, the only thing is that I held it over the unemployment claims. That is the only thing I could consider like not a mistake, but gives the trade one little minus point. Yeah. So the next trade on Fridays. Similar thing, we form London High right here. We come into London High actually still during London session. Yeah, still during London session. All in line with the trend, with the bias. Have our 5-minute break of structure right here. And yeah, I scaled into the 1-minute once the break of structure happened, where we formed our 1-minute inverse fair value gap, which we come into right here. I entered down here. I think I actually do know I entered down here. Yeah. And yeah, stops were really big this time, 1,300. But I guess take profit got hit relatively fast. It only took, holy shit, yeah, 15 minutes and the trade was done. So made 4% on those trades, but because I lost a lot before that, I'm now at minus 1% on the funded. I started the week with minus 5%, and yeah, I'm definitely going break even and above next week because now I actually know what to do and what not. I did like a checklist with yeah, checks that I need to make before entering a trade. And yeah, only if all the necessary necessarily checks are made, I can enter a trade. And even if only one check is missing, I can't enter the trade. I did that on both of these trades, worked perfectly. Um, yeah, I think that's it for me. I can look at the chart and see if I can make a weekly analysis for next week. Oh, we're fucking bearish. Holy shit. We're extremely bearish still, but I think I was expecting it to get even lower, and I think we will come lower. And we have a fat fair value gap right here. Maybe we'll see. Maybe we are going to fill it within the next week. We already came into it. Is there anything else? No, not really. Okay, maybe we only come into this fair value gap and react bullish out of it. We'll see within the next week. But right now I'm bearish for the next week. And I don't know if that will change or not. We'll see on Monday. The news next week are pretty good, not too volatile. And yeah, that's it for my trade recap. Thank you for watching.